work fine. It won't air me over the video, so what I'm going to do is I'll put it here, start her up, put a clamp on, and I'm going to just take the wire, keep going, like I said, until this wire meets its biggest. You might have to come back a bit, you might have to go forward, but that's pretty much the idea, right? So what happens is when that wire meets the matches the frequency or the vibration of the engine, it's going to be in its perfect state, sort of deal, and that's when you'll get your reading. It's amazing how accurate this thing is. All right, it comes out to each black stroke is 200, or yeah, 200. So it's 30, 32, 34, 50. So that's all right. All right, hope that helps. That's how you use that thing. It's very accurate. You know, I think it's $60 you can get them now for $60. Anyway, folks, I hope that helped you out. Thanks again.